When you get to the right place with the right people, quarter this. You know, this could be the right place. The time's running out.
Hey, man. Hey, if we're going, we're going. Let's go.
Yeah,
I'm hip about time. But I just gotta go.
Without a permit? You gotta be kidding. I mean, you know who this is, man. This is Captain America. I'm Billy. Hey, we're headliners, baby. We played every fair in this part of the country. I mean, for top dollar, too.
Weirdo hicks, man. A bunch of weirdo hicks, yeah. Parading without a permit, man.
Oh no, what did I do now? Oh, what am I gonna do now? On my head. Oh. All right now, George, what are you gonna do now? I mean, you promised these people now. You promise these people and you promise these people. And they don't believe you, George.
Hey! Hey, man, would you mind? Just woke my friend up.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm real sorry. I didn't realize I didn't realize. My head.
Hey, man, if you don't shut your mouth, man, you ain't gonna have a head.
See, you're up, Mr. Hanson. You'll feel a lot better after this.
Oh. Thank you, Bob. I guess I really tied one on last night. Must have had a hell of a good time. I could remember it now.
Hey, man, you don't think you'd give me a cigarette, do you?
You animals ain't smart enough to play with fire.
Oh, no. That's all right. Oh, that's all right. They're good boys. You can give them a cigarette.
Thanks, mister. Got a match?
Yeah.
I'm sorry about, you know, the misunderstanding.
Oh, that's all right. There's no misunderstanding. We're all in the same cage here.
You must be some important dude, man, like, you know, that treatment.
A dude? What does he mean, dude? Dude Ranch? Dude?
No.
Dude means nice guy. Dude means a regular sort of person.
Well, you boys don't look like you're from this part of the country. You're lucky I'm here to see that you don't get into anything.
Anything?
Well, they got this here, see, Scissor Happy Beautify America thing going on around here. They're trying to make everybody look like Yul Brynner. They used rusty razor blades on the last two long hairs that they brought in here, and I wasn't here to protect them. See, I'm a lawyer. Done a lot of work for the ACLU.
George Hanson. Listen, you think you can help us get out of here with no sweat?
Oh, I imagine that I can if you haven't killed anybody. At least nobody white. See there, $25 not too bad. No razor blade, you know what I mean?
Very groovy, George. Thank you.
Very groovy, very groovy. See there? I'll bet nobody ever said that to you. Oh, by the way, Bob, thanks for the aspirin before.
George, I'm getting to think you're regular around here. I'm not going to tell your dad. I don't know, George. You just got to be more careful.
Yeah, well, Pat, that'd be real good if the powers that be wouldn't hear about this. I mean, the old man hadn't been feeling too good, you know what I mean?
Well, now, George, you know we won't tell your dad about that. Is that right, Bob?
Right. Well, what do you say we take a look at these super machines we've been hearing so much about?
Let's get it on.
Thanks a lot, Bob. See you later. All right, Carl. Thanks a million. Say hello to Mrs. for me, will you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's the first of the day, fellas. To old D.H. Lawrence. Nick. Indians. Thank you. You know, I must have started off to Mardi Gras 6 or 7 times. Never got further than the state line. Governor of Louisiana gave me this. Madam Tinker Toys, House of Blue Lights, corner of Bourbon and Toulouse, New Orleans, Louisiana. Now this is supposed to be the finest whorehouse in the South. These ain't no pork chops. These are U.S. prime.
Sight, man.
Oh, I'd like to get over there. How long did you boys say it was gonna take you to get down there?
Oh, about 2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days, that right. Oh, boy, I sure wish I was going with you.
Yeah? You got a helmet?
Oh, I've got a helmet. I got a beauty.
If you wanna be a bird,